Yeah, duplex of then 9 is how much?
Sir, 81.
9 square is 81. Okay, for a single digit, this is the duplex. This is the way
Okay, sir.
to do duplex.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
For double digit, it is different.
Sir,
See,
double-
digit, I'm taking any number like 34. Okay. So for double digit, duplex of double digit is twice the product of the two digits.
30 into 30. 4 into 4 and 30.
No. That is what I'm telling. Duplex is different for, in case of squaring techniques, general squaring techniques, duplex is different for 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number.
Then we'll be doing 3 into 4.
No, yes, sir. 2 times of 3 into 4.
Sir,
one
not
not
2.
two.
Understood, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
I didn't understand.
3 into 4. Sir, means 3 into
3
4
into
is 12
4.
or 2 double. 12
No,
is
sir,
24.
the answer, sir,
Let
sir,
me
the
explain.
answer is going to be 68.
Here it is 68. No,
Sir, 12.
24.
Sir,
1 or 2.
24. Sir,
Sir,
24. 2 into 3
24.
into 4.
Sir, 3 4 is 12, 12 2 is 24.
Or otherwise we can say 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24.
Double 12. 24.
Okay. So duplex of a double digit is twice the product of the digits. Okay.
Sir, I
Twice
did not understand. Can you explain again?
twice the product of the digits.
Sir, but how did we get 24?
2 into 3 into 4 is how much? 2 3s are
2 3 is 6.
6 4s are
24. So it's going out like that with adding, sir.
not,
Sir, 24.
not
How it will
no.
be 24 answer, sir?
Okay, sir, understood. Yeah.
that is the duplex of 3 and 4. Sorry, that is the duplex of 34. Okay. What is the just tell me what is the duplex of 65?
Sir, 2 into 6 into 5.
2
That's
5.
all. 2
Sir, it
into
will
6
be
into 5.
70. It will be 70.
Yes,
No,
sir.
60.
No, sir, it's not 70,
Sir, it's
sir.
not 60.
2 5s are
Sir, 2 5 is 30, sir. 10 30.
Sir, 60, 60.
Sir, I
2
haven't
5s are 10, 10 6 are 16.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, 60.
Sir, I did 5 6 sir, and then did 60.
We can double it.
30 into
Sir,
2.
Yes, we can.
Sir, any order is okay, right, sir?
Sorry.
Sir, I haven't
Sir,
done.
any order is okay, right, sir? 6
Any
5s
order
are
is
5
okay,
2s
but it
are-
is easy, right? 2 5s are 10, 10 6 are 60.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
I
Ritik.
have doubt.
Tell Ritik.
Sir, you told duplex of the number, no, sir. Sir, once answer will be only 24, otherwise another.
No. Here the duplex of 34 is 24. Using duplex, we will do squaring, but now we are learning about a duplex only. How to do duplex, we are learning.
Sir, can you one? Sir, can
Sir,
you
then
explain
3
one
digit
more?
It
number?
is easy, no, sir. 2 into 6
Yeah.
into 5 is equal to 60.
Sorry?
Sir, but it is easy, no, sir. Duplex.
Yeah, using duplex, we will do squares, okay?
Sir,
First,
can you explain it again, sir?
Sir, then 3 digit number?
let me give you 3 digit also. And Shivpranav, tell your doubt.
Sir, I didn't understood, sir.
What you didn't understood? Where is your doubt?
5 we should do 2 into 6 into 5.
Twice the product of the digits, so 6 into 5. Okay, duplex of 65 is 6 into 5 and then double.
Oh, okay, sir.
Aditi, tell me.
Sir, it is a 3-digit number, 100. So how we will do that?
100 is a triple digit, right? Let me explain triple digit also, and then we'll see for 100
Sir,
also.
244.
Sir, I have one more doubt, sir.
Yes, tell me here only. Tell me what is the duplex of some 30?
Sir, 2 into
0.
Sir, 0.
0, sir. 1 0 will be means full 0.
Yeah, 0 only.
Sir, 100 also it is 0, sir. Duplex only will not be.
Maybe we'll see. Okay, we'll see it later. As of now, 2 times of 3 into 0 is how much?
Yes, sir.
0 only.
Sir, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 0 is 0 only, sir.
Yeah, 2 3s are 6 and 6 into 0 is
Sir,
0.
244.
Now let us see 3 digit number.
Sir, 244.
What
Let's
is the
go to
duplex of?
126.
What is the
126.
duplex of?
Sir,
143. 143. Okay. See, listen to me carefully.
24.
Wait. Twice the
24.
product of
Sir, 1 3 sir is 3.
That's what 3 into 2, 6.
Okay.
6
1 into 3 plus this 4 square, middle number square. 2 times of 1 into 3. Okay, don't forget this. 2 times of 1 into 3 plus 4 square.
Sir, what, sir?
I did it. Sir,
Product of n digits, sir. Okay, product
sir,
of n
first
digits.
and last product, and then plus middle square
Middle square.
and into 2.
Into 2 is for only this one. 2 into 1 into 3.
Sir, anyways, we'll get same answer, no, sir.
No.
Oh, no, sir, no, sir. Sir, when we get 1 into 3, then only we should do into 2.
Sir, 20. Sir, that is 4 square,
Get
sir.
22.
Sir, 22.
Then we'll get 22.
So answer.
Yes.
Yeah, 16 plus 6
22.
is 22. Correct. 22 is the duplex of 143.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, now if we do it like 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6, no, sir. When we do that, 6 is there, no, sir. Now we'll do 4 square, which will 4. It's going to
4 square is 16. 16
Yes,
plus 6
sir.
is
16 plus 6, 22.
22.
Okay, like that. Okay.
Sir, I understood now, sir.
Sir,
Can
do
we
an
get
exercise.
100 by this method?
100. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
What is the duplex of 100 is
0, no, sir.
sir, 1.
2 into 1 into 0. 2 into 1 into 0.
Sir, which
Plus
is 0.
0 square. Plus 0.
Sir, 0 square is 0, sir. 0 only, right, sir?
This is 0 and this is also 0.
Sir,
Going to be
Big 0.
0.
Big 0.
Sir,
Okay.
all
Big
the
anda.
Okay.
Sir, it's the biggest.
Next. And tell me what is the duplex of some 345?
Sir, 345.
3 into 5
2 into 3
plus
into
3
5.
into 5.
Sir, 38. 38.
4
38.
square.
Sir, 4
square.
square.
38.
16, sir.
This is
Sir, 38 plus 16.
30. 30 plus 16 is?
Oh, sorry.
46.
Sir,
This
46.
is 30 plus 16.
46.
46.
46.
I got 38.
Sorry, 46.
Huh?
Right.
Sir, one second, sir.
We are keeping first only 2, sir. Because 2 into 3, when
Duplex
because this is 2 there only.
so that's why.
Done?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Done, sir. Give an exercise. We'll do.
Tell Ritik.
Sir, so like first we have to do 2 into 3 into 5.
2 times of end digits product,
Okay, sir.
middle digit square.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then what if it is a 4 digit? Let us see that case also.
Sir, I just don't know. Can you tell what is the duplex?
Duplex of 1, 2, 3, 4 is.
Sir, I said you right, sir. There's
Sir, you'll do.
Let me explain. Let me explain. Okay. 2 times of product of end digits,
Sir, that's what I said.
1 into
Sir,
4
understood, sir.
plus
Sir, then 23 square.
again 2 times of 2 into 3.
Oh.
Okay, 2 times of 1 into 4 plus 2 times of 2 into 3.
Sir, 1 pair, sir.
Okay, sir, I understood, sir.
How much it is?
Sir,
8 plus 12 is 20. Yes or no?
What, sir? I
yes, sir.
20
Sir,
yes, sir,
sir,
This
I
is 8 and
understand,
it is
sir.
12. 20.
yes, sir, correct.
Yes, very clearly.
Sir, once
Yeah.
again,
So what,
sir,
now tell me what is the duplex of
Sir, 16, sir.
0, 3, 0.
Sir,
0.
2
Sir, 2 into 0, 3 into 0.
Sir, 0.
Sir,
2 times
0
of
into 0.
0.
Sir,
2
2
times
into
of
2
2
into
into
0.
0
2 into 0.
plus
Plus
again 2
2
times of
into 0 into 3, sir.
3 into
2
0.
into
0
0
into
and 0 into 3. Sir, it is
how much?
Sir, 0.
This is 0. This is
Sir,
also 0.
0,
Overall it is.
sir.
0.
Again it is a big 0.
into big 0. Sir, I
Okay.
have one doubt, sir.
Tell your doubt.
What is the 203?
203.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the duplex of 203? Okay, tell me what is the duplex of 203? 2 times of?
0.
No.
2 into 2
times
into
of
3.
2 into 3.
2 into 2 into 3 plus
Plus
Sir, 0
Zero
square.
square.
0,
0
sir.
square.
0 into 3.
How much it
Sir,
is?
right, sir.
Sir, 12.
12.
12.
Sir, why did we change 0 to 0 square?
Middle digit square, okay, that is the duplex rule.
Sir, just
Okay,
sir, I
sir.
have a doubt, sir.
Okay.
If we have a middle digit, we have to do it square. If we
Sir, I
don't
have a
have a
doubt,
middle
sir, I
digit,
have a
then
doubt.
tell Ritvik.
Yes, it says 0 square is 0 only, right, sir? So answer would be 0.
Yeah, this is 12. This is 0. Overall, it is 12.
Oh, okay, sir. Addition. Okay.
Sir, the multiplication will keep on getting bigger and bigger, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Shall we take a 5-digit number?
Sir, I think
Sir.
sir, I know, sir. 5-digit number. Sir,
1,
first we
2,
should do
3,
2
4,
first
5.
2 pairs, last 2 pairs, and middle
Sir,
one.
2 into
Sir,
1
1 into 1
5
into
2
5.
into 1 into 5. 2 into 1 into 5. Then
and 2
plus
into
2 into 2 into 3 into 4.
2
into
3.
2 into 4
2 into 3
plus
into 4.
3 square.
plus
3 square.
yes, 3 square. If we have only one digit, we have to do square. If we have 2 digits, again we have to do the same process.
Sir.
Okay, understood duplex concept?
Yeah, sir, we
Yes,
understand.
sir.
We'll do
Sir, won't it be? Sir,
Sir, it will be 2
Ritvik,
into 2 into 4, right, sir?
yes, sir. Exactly, sir.
Yeah. It is 2 into 2 into 4. Sorry, it is 2 into 2 into 4.
answer will be 2 into 1 is 4.
Yeah, 2 into 1 into 5, then 2 into 2 into 4, then
Okay,
3
sir, now
square.
I understand.
Sir, I don't know
So how much it is?
multiply the
16
number.
plus 9 is 25 plus 10 is 35.
Sir, it just looks like you're just doing some random numbers, sir.
Yeah, random numbers only we are doing.
Sir, shall we do an exercise?
We'll do an exercise. Before that,
Not getting like
complete
which
this.
number to choose to multiply.
0, 3, 4, 0.
Sir,
Sir,
again.
2 into 2 into 0.
into
Sir, 0.
2
Sir,
into
0.
2 into 0.
2
Plus
into
Sir,
0 into
Sir, 2 into 0 into 4.
4
2 into 0 into 4.
So then
plus 3 square.
Sir,
Plus
that
3 square.
Answer will be 9, sir.
0
Nine.
plus
Yes,
0.
9.
Sir, only
Yes,
3
nine
square
is
we have to
equals
do,
to
then
9.
rest are 0, sir.
This is 0 and this is 0. This is 9. 9.
Sir, 2-digit number means?
2 digit. You forgot 2 digit. Meanwhile. Okay,
Sir,
this
that's why
one.
sir, I'm taking screenshot.
Sir, 2 into 3 into 4. Exactly.
Okay, let me explain all the digits. If it is a 1 digit, simply square. If it is a 2 digit, product of the double of product of the digits. Double of product
Sir,
of the
Ritvik
digits.
already gave
Sir, by
his name,
mistake.
sir.
Sir, by mistake. Sir, by mistake, please. Sir, actually, I kept a book on laptop. Sir, by mistake, sir. Sorry.
What happened?
Sir, he put his name in chat, sir, for exercise.
Sir, if you put your book on your
Yeah,
laptop, how
he
can you
thought we are
copy
moving
that
on to
book?
the exercise. Okay.
Sir, he
Okay.
says that he put his book on the
Yeah,
laptop.
now you can give your name, sir. I will consider from now.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Sir, first is
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Sir E Sahaswita, sir.
Okay.
Sir E Sahaswita.
1
Sir,
second.
don't consider D Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Sir E Sahaswita.
1 second.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, mine is a
Sir,
very
Isa.
easy one.
Sir, mine is
E
so simple,
Sahaswita.
sir, whatever I do.
E Sahaswita.
Sir, then C Ritvik N.
Sahaswita.
Sir,
Say
then
Ritvik N.
Sir, the
C
question
Ritvik
which I
N.
chose has only one number, sir. Then what should I do?
Sorry.
Sir, the question which I chose has only one number.
Simply square.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
That is what I have told till now. Okay.
Sir,
Then
understood.
Sir, then C Jait.
no, C is already over. E
Sir, I
E
took A
Ashwath.
Gohit at the
is
starting,
also
sir.
over. E is also over. Next.
Sir, then
Sir, I took A Gohit as the starting.
Sir G Adat, sir.
I took
Sir.
H, sir.
Sir, I took
Sir
A
G
Ritvik.
Adat, sir.
Yes, sir. G Adar.
Yeah, G Adar. Then
D
Sir,
Sudisha.
then D Sudisha.
E Adar.
Sir D Sudisha.
Okay.
Sir, I took A long back, sir.
Then
He's gonna
A
be
Ritvik.
silencing A.
No,
A Ritvik R, sir.
A Ritvik R.
R, sir. Sir H
Ah.
Aswath.
R is not, sir.
H Ashwad. Okay.
R is not, sir.
Sir, Ritvik R, sir, not Ritvik N.
Okay. Okay. Sorry.
Sir Ritvik R, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, then Shiva
E
Pranav
Pranav.
F.
E is also over.
Sir, he's over. That's why I said Shiva Pranav F, sir.
Okay. Show Pranav F. And only B is remaining.
Sir B
Sir, I'll
Aditya.
take B, sir.
Sir B Aditya, sir.
E
Aditya,
Aditi.
sir.
Okay. Yeah, just to check chat box. It is it will give in an order only. Ritvik and Aditi, lower your hands.
Sir, question number A and D are very simple, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm ready.
Yes,
Can I-
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
here your question is find the duplex for the given numbers. Okay, find the duplex for the following numbers.
Sir, mine is even easier, sir.
Okay, if anybody wants, I can give extra questions. If anybody wants, other than these people, I
Sir,
can give
can
extra.
you, sir, before or after 2, can you add any number, sir? It's just 2.
Sir, even
Yes, sir. 2 2s are 4, sir. That's the easiest.
Sir, sir,
Yeah.
can I get a chance?
Okay, Ritvik, start.
Sir, not 5, sir. Give another number, sir. 5, 7, like that you give, sir.
Sir, can you add sir 9 after 2, sir, in the
Tell
Sir,
for
it is
this.
very
Okay,
easy,
tell
sir.
for this. I'll give another numbers also. Okay, tell
So
for
just
this.
add a 0.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Sir,
Sir,
can I
sir,
ask you other
Sir,
questions,
can I
sir?
get
want
one
to
more
see
Ritvik.
question?
Ritvik, tell.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Sir,
Jayit,
sir,
I will give
question.
question.
Sir. Okay, sir. Sir, I'm telling. Sir,
Sir, can I give few other questions?
What is the
So
duplex
find-
of 5?
The 5 into 5 is 25, sir. It
5
will be
square,
25.
25. Very good. Aditi,
Sir, 2 into 3 is 12.
correct. 12. Ritvik,
Yes, sir. Sir, 2 into 5 into 5, sir, which is 50.
which is 50.
50,
Correct.
sir. 50.
Correct. Sudisha,
Sir, 2 square 4.
4. Correct. Sahaswita,
2 into 1 into 4, 8.
4 is 8. Correct. Shivpranav,
Yes, sir. Sir, 2 into. Sir,
Ah.
sorry, sir. 7. 7 into 7.
7 into 7. Okay. How much it is? 98. Yes, very good. Yadharth,
Sir, 2 into 2 into 6, sir, which is 2 2s are 4. Sir, 6 4s are 24, sir.
24. Correct. Ashwad,
Sir, 0.
how much? Sorry, how it is 0?
Sir, 2 into 9 into 0.
Is 0. Correct. Now Jayit.
8 only is
Yes,
not
sir.
there, no, sir.
HI. Okay. Jayit, tell the duplex for 240.
So 240, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4.
No. Tell me the processor for 3-digit number.
Yes, sir. I got it. Sir, 2 multiplied by 0 is 2.
2 times of 2 into 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Plus
0.
4 square, sir.
middle
Sir,
digit
plus
square.
4 square is 16.
Ah,
Sir,
yes.
16.
Overall it is
Sir, 16.
16. Very good. Then who is Ritvik and Sudisha? I will give other questions.
Yes, sir.
HI is over. And then
46?
J. Okay. With Sudisha, ready?
Yes, sir.
405.
Or can you give a different question, sir? Like different questions more.
Sudisha, tell your answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, the procedure is 2 into 4 into 5.
Okay.
Sir, the answer is going to be
That's all.
plus, plus 0 square.
Yeah.
Both
Overall
are
it
same,
is
sir, without 0 and with.
Sir, the answer is 40.
40. Correct. Very good. Then Ritvik, ready? You want?
Yes, sir.
All means if there we should add the first and last digits we have to multiply, and after that we have to add.
Sir, give number.
First and last digits we have to multiply and double.
Then we
And
have
then
to
we
add.
have to
sir.
add middle digit square.
Sir, you can give me one, sir.
No.
Sir, Ritvik Nimala got nice question, sir. I got only 5, sir. That's why I was giving.
Sir, can I take one question?
Sir,
1000. Ritvik. Ritvik Reddy.
okay, sir. 2 into 2, sir, procedure is 2 into 1 into 0 and 2 into 0 into 0 plus 2 into 0 into 0. Sir, it will be 0 only, sir.
0. Okay. Gohit, can you do?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you say them to unraise their hand, whoever doesn't have a doubt?
So which question?
I'm giving. Your question is 2, 5, 0, 0, 3. Okay.
Sir, so I think we have to first multiply 2 into 2 into 3.
1 second. I'll write that procedure. Okay. 2 into 2 into 3. Correct. Plus.
Sir, plus 0 square.
No.
Sir,
Before
5 into
that-
0.
Yeah. 2 into 5 into 0.
Yes, sir. 2 into 5 into 0.
Plus
Sir, then plus square, 0 square.
0 square. How much overall it is?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
This part is
Sir, this part is 10.
0.
Yes, sir, sorry, I didn't see the 0.
This part is also
So that part is also 0, sir. The
Then
before
this part?
part is, sir, 12.
12. Overall it is 12.
Sir, is this like we have the result which you are getting, is that the square of
Square?
square root?
No. This is just a duplex, sir. Now we will see using duplex how to do squares. Okay.
Sir, then what with the results which we get, sir, what is the relation between the result?
That is
and-
what I'm telling. This is just a duplex, sir. Now we will see using duplex how to do squares. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If it is a single digit, directly that duplex is the square only. If it is a
Okay.
single digit. If it is a single digit, directly duplex is the square. Yes or no?
Yes,
5
sir.
square is 25 and 5 duplex is also 25. 2 square is 4 and 2 duplex is also 4 only.
Okay, sir.
In case of one digit number, it is same. Duplex and square both are same. But in case of 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit number, duplex is different and squaring is different. Now we will see using duplex how to do squares. Okay. Yeah. Let me show you one example.
Sir, when you showed that exercise, I thought someone will put in chat, sir. Then.
Okay. 43 square. How to do 43 square is
4 into 5.
no. Let me explain first. Okay. Let me explain first. Listen to me carefully and don't ask again and again. Okay. Okay. While listening only carefully, listen to me. First, we have to take duplex of 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then we have to take duplex of total 43.
Oh, okay.
And then we have to take duplex of 3. That's all. And that resultant will be the square. Okay. What is the duplex of 4?
Sir,
Sir,
then
I have a doubt.
Sir, 8.
Even we can take
16.
as sir, first even sir, even we can
that
take as
should be
43.
One second, one second, one second,
2
one
into
second.
4 into 3.
One
So
second,
2
one
into
second,
4
one
is
second.
8.
1 second. Sudisha, tell me.
Sir, then the duplex of 4, 43 and 3, should we add all and we should write
No.
it as the
What is
answer?
this symbol? What is this symbol? You know this symbol already. What is this
Then we
symbol?
take out that. we
Sir,
should
that-
write all,
Sir, that symbol
Balancing.
means the sir, that symbol
Balancing.
means the absolute value of the number.
Balancing. Okay.
Sir,
Vertical
it's
line
known
will
as
be
the
balancing.
absolute value, right, sir?
So we should add and we should write it as the answer.
No, let me show. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the duplex of 4?
16, sir.
16.
Okay. We have to balance with duplex of 43 is
24.
2 times of 4 into 3. Yeah, 24. What is duplex of 3?
So 9.
9. Yeah, now balance it. If it is a single digit, write it as it is, drop it as it is. If it is a double digit, drop
24
units
means-
place, carry forward remaining position. Okay, plus 2.
8.
16 plus 2 is 18.
18.
Sir, but the
1849.
line is actually known as an absolute value of a number, right?
I
sir?
have a doubt. Sir, but you told that we have to just do that, right, sir?
Sir, I took a screenshot and I understood.
Okay, so instead of
Sir,
doing
I-
this procedure, just a second. Instead of doing this procedure, generally we'll write in this way. So first, duplex of 4 is 16. Duplex of 43 is 24. We will write in this way: 2 here, 4 here. Okay, 2 here, 4 here, and then duplex of 3 is 9. So it will be again 1849.
Understood, sir.
Which is better?
Sir,
Sir,
this,
the second one, sir. Which one?
Second
Yeah,
one is
that's
better,
one.
right?
Sir, the pink color box, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Anyone? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Anyone?
Sir,
Aditi,
Aditi.
tell me.
Sir, again doesn't give,
Sir,
sir.
I
let
have
her-
a doubt.
Let her ask her doubt. Aditi, tell
Sir,
me.
Jait,
Sir, in the question.
Sir, Ritvik already gave his name.
Wait.
43 square. Instead of 4, there is 2 then.
2.
Yes.
Okay, tell your number then. 23 is okay.
No, sir, 25.
25. Okay. So you know this answer. Just we will verify whether it is the 625 or not. 25 square is 625, right? Okay.
Sir,
So first we'll write duplex of 2. Then we will write duplex of 25.
25.
Then we will write duplex of 5.
5.
Okay. Tell
So
me
two
duplex
is-
of 2 is
4.
Sir, why is
Duplex
Ritwik
of
always
25?
telling his question number?
20, sir.
20.
2 into 5 double. 2 into 5 is 10. Double is 20 means 2 here, 0 here.
Sir, 20, sir.
Okay. Then duplex of 5 is
Sir, 25.
25. 25 means 2 here, 5 here. So after balancing, your answer will be
Sir,
Sir,
all
625.
we can write 2 into 3 is
Sir,
6.
correct,
5
sir.
square is 25. 625. You told us that one, right?
Correct, sir, and I don't have any doubt.
1 second. 1 second. Aditi, tell me.
Nothing, sir. Thank you.
Nothing.
Sir,
Okay.
me,
Sir,
sir. I
Actually,
told
Exercise. Sir, exercise.
Actually, for 25, which is better?
Sir, the 2 into 3.
2
2 into
multiply
3.
with the next number
Sir,
into
this
3.
one
it
is
will be
better,
6.
sir. Sir, 2
Yes,
multiplied
sir.
by 2 is
24.
4.
That one.
2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4, that thing, sir.
2 is multiplied by 3. Not
Sir, but that takes
successor.
more 6
Multiplication by
than the
successor
same
and
one.
25 is same. Yeah, now you can give your names. There are 14 questions and 14 people. Everyone will get one question.
Sir, 15 people are there.
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you show?
Sir, I want to take first question.
First one, G Ritwik.
Ah, Ritvik, give your name first. Okay.
Sir, can I take? Okay, sir. 91, sir. J.
From where we have to start? D. Shiv Pranav. From there, right?
Sir, Shiva Pranav D. Then, sir, then A Ashwath.
Shiv Pranav. Okay. A. Ashwath.
Sir, A Ashwath.
Then,
H Ritwik R, sir. R.
okay.
So then J
It's not
J.
H, it is H.
J.
Sir,
Jayit. Okay.
J J.
Okay.
E
J for
Sahaswita.
E. Sahaswita.
Sir, B Yadarth.
Sir, A Yadarth.
Sir, no, sir. Ashwath already took A. That's why B Yadarth.
B. Yatharth. Okay.
So then D Ritwik N, sir.
D. Ritvikian. D is already over.
Sir, then C Aditi.
Aditi. Okay.
Sir, I Sudisha.
I. Sudisha. Okay.
Sir,
Correct.
F Ritwik N.
Sir, F Ritwik.
So Ritvikian.
Sir, you said everyone. Sir, that's all, sir. Sir, you said everyone will get a question.
Yes.
There's
Sir.
so many, sir.
So 14 members are there, including me. 15 members are there. Means 14 questions. Ahana, take one question. Ahana.
Sir, can we take 2 if no one takes?
No. Gohit, take one question.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Then
I will take-
Mahavir is there.
Sir, I understood the 3 digits one, sir. I didn't understand like normal.
Alright.
1 digit.
Sir, Mahavir is there. Ahana is there.
Mahavir, Ahana.
Sir,
Sri-
I'll take 33.
Write it in chat box. Okay.
Sir,
Srishti is also.
Srivalabha is there. Srishti.
Srishti is not
Sir,
there.
Ahana N,
Sir,
sir.
Ahana N. Go.
Sir,
Vallabha.
Gohit K. Sir, Ahana N, sir. Sir, also
Ahana,
Gohit.
okay.
Sir, Gohit K.
Yeah,
Okay.
sir. Ahana N.
Gohit K and Ahana N.
Sir, Srishti is there. And,
Sir, I is
or
already
L?
over.
L.
Sir, L Srishti.
Yes.
Well, actually, like I joined a little bit late, so I don't know how to do with.
No issue. We will do it. Okay. When your friends are doing, try to observe it. If you are not able to understand, I will explain again.
Yes, sir.
Sri Vallabha.
Explain to me also, sir. I didn't.
Ma'am, Mahavir, sir, Mahavir can take a question, sir.
Ritwik, this is sir, not ma'am.
Sri Vallabha, write one question in chat.
Sir is having doubt.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you explain again?
I will explain again. Just let me complete the questions first. Sri Vallabha, take one question. And who are remaining?
Sir, you take one question, sir. Like
Ma'am, Mahavir is there, sir.
Yes,
It will fill, sir. Mahavir is there.
Mahavir is not taking question.
Sir,
Mahavir, take question first.
Sir, Sri Vallabha and Mahavir.
Sir, I posted in the chat that I'll take M.
Oh, sir,
M only.
sir, he kept sir M, but he has an internet issue with Doina, sir. That's why.
Sir, M Mahavir, then G Vallabha, sir. Sri Vallabha, that you can do.
He has to take.
Sir,
Sir, his
Then
camera is
how
on.
can
G
all the
left,
questions are
sir.
completed? How can we can complete? How can
Sir,
all the
Sir,
questions?
G Sri
Sri
Vallabha.
Vallabha.
He gave, sir.
Sir, G.
Sir,
Sir,
after you answer my question,
One
I'll
second,
be.
one second. Actually, there are 14, but here 14. Okay, 14 questions are completed. Okay, right.
Sir.
Sir,
Sir,
after
can you explain the method again? I just got confused.
Yeah, I will explain the method again. Tell me any number which is not there in this list.
Sir, 29.
Sir,
29 is
43.
not there.
Sir, 29.
Sir,
29.
64. Sir, 64. Sir, 64.
Okay,
Sir,
I will.
64.
Sir, 32.
Sir, 64. 42. Sir, 64.
Sir, why
Sir, 64.
the number?
Okay,
32.
Sir, 42. Yes.
okay.
42, 61. 100.
These are okay then. See, 42 square we'll see, 64 square we will see, and the 29 square also we'll see. All of you listen to me carefully, and who joined late also listen to me. So first we have to write duplex of 4, then duplex of 42, then duplex of 2. Okay. If it is a single digit, simply the square is the duplex of 4 square is
16.
16. If it is a double digit, double of product, 2 times of 4 into 2 is, actually 4 into 2 is how much?
Sir, 8.
8 double is
Sir, 16.
16 means we have to balance
Sir,
it.
balance
1
it.
here, 6 here. Okay. Who asked this question? Mahavir, are you clear?
Sir, I asked you the question.
No. I'm not telling about this question. Procedure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, then
Mahavir,
2 to
clear.
the 4 also you have to do, right?
2 square is
Sir,
4.
4.
After balancing, your answer will be 1764.
1764.
Understood, sir.
I will write this one later, and we'll do 29 first because space is not there. Duplex of 2, and then duplex of 29, and then duplex of 9.
9.
Sir, 2 is a 4, sir. 2 square is 4.
Yeah, 2 duplex of 4 is 2 is 4.
4.
Duplex of 29, 2
4.
nines are
Sir, 18.
18 double is
18. Yes, sir.
18 double is
Sir, 18 double is
That-
36.
36.
Sir,
36
36.
means we have to write it in this way: 3 here, 6 here.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
balancing. Then 9 square is
Sir,
Sir,
9.
81.
81. We have to write it in this way: 8
Sir,
here, 1.
balancing.
So after balancing, your answer will be
Sir,
8 4
8.
1 841.
Okay, sir.
You can check with your calculators. Okay, 29 square. And then
Okay,
one
sir.
question remaining. 64 is also remaining.
Sir,
We will do that.
Ashwath said, sir, I will be rejoining after I answer my question, sir.
Okay, Ashwath. Let us do it fast.
Yes, sir, I
duplex
checked the
of-
calculator. Your
Six.
answer is correct.
Duplex of 64, and then duplex
64.
of
4.
Ashwa. Sorry, some Mahavir. Tell me, duplex of 6 is 36. 6 square. Okay. Duplex of 64. 6 4s are
48.
Sir, 6 4 is 24. Double.
24 double is
Sir, 48.
48 means 4 here, 8 here. And then 4 square is
16.
16.
so after
Sir,
balancing,
I'm
your
not
answer will
getting
be
how to balance.
0.
4096.
Got
Sir,
it.
I'm not getting how to balance
Okay,
the
sir.
question, sir.
How to balance is if it is a double digit, after writing 24, after writing 36, you are getting 48, right? Jayit,
Then duplex.
Sir, it's going to.
sorry, go ahead.
Then
Sorry.
duplex of 6 again.
So
Okay.
after we write 48,
Ahana, mute yourself. Okay, Gohit, see here. After writing 36, we are getting 48. So in 48, only units place we have to write it here, and the remaining position we have to write it before number.
okay, sir.
Sorry, below before number. And again after 48, we are getting 16, right? In that 16 also, only 6 we have to write it here, and 1 we have to balance.
Okay, sir.
Okay, after balancing means nothing but addition only here. The
Sir.
operation is addition.
Sir, 4096.
Sir, explain, sorry, can I explain one more question?
Yeah.
No.
Sir, first,
Okay, there are
sir,
14
everyone will
questions.
explain,
Okay,
no? He will
there are
see.
14 questions are there already. You can do them.
Yes,
these
sir.
questions.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, we will start. If you
3 3s
are
are
ready, we
9.
will start.
Sir, 3 3s are 9. 2 into 3 into 1 is 6. Then 1 square is 1.
2 3 2 3 ones are 3.
9
Double is
9
6
6
and 1.
9 6.
Yes, correct. Without any carry, that's why your answer will be the final.
Sir, I'll be rejoining.
Carry on. Yadharth, ready?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, we will write 1, 14 and 4, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
1 1s are 1, sir.
Duplex
One
of 1
square.
is 1. Okay.
1, sir. Sir, 14, so 2 into 1 into 4, sir, which is 8,
Which?
sir. 8.
8. And then?
Sir, then 4 square is 16, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, carry over, sir.
1,
Balancing.
6.
Yes, sir.
So after balancing, your answer is?
Sir, 196.
196. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditi, ready?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
So the square of 4 is 16.
Duplex of 4 is 16. Okay.
And
Sir, square and duplex is same, right, sir?
Do square and duplex is same in case of one digit. Okay.
so
Then
the square of 41 is
no, duplex of 41, not square of. We are doing square. Okay.
it is 8.
Yeah. 4 ones are 4. Double is 8. Correct. And then duplex of 1 is
1. So the
1.
answer is
So
1.
answer is 1681 without any carry, and your answer will be the final. Then show Pranav.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we should do duplex of 2, so is equals to 4.
Okay.
Then duplex of 26 is 2 into 2 into 6, sir, is equals to 24.
24. Okay.
Sir, duplex of 6 is equals to 36.
Hmm.
Sir, answer is sir 6. Sir 7.
Sir, I'm having trouble in balancing it,
Sir
sir.
6 7 6.
Okay. Then Sahaswita, proceed.
Yes, sir. 2 square 4.
Duplex of 2 is
2
4. Okay.
Duplex of 23 is 12. 2 into 2 into 3.
Okay.
3 square is 9.
Okay.
When we balance it, 529.
Sorry. 529. Correct. Yeah. Then Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I start?
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 into 3 is 9.
Yeah.
Sir, and then 32 duplex is sir 12.
Yeah. First do 3 into 2 and then
Yes,
double it.
3 into 2 and double is 12.
12. Correct. And then?
And then 4, sir. The answer will be 25.
No.
Sir.
Answer is
Okay, sir.
1024.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sri Vallabha, proceed.
Sir, 2 1, 2 2s are 4.
Okay.
Sir, 21 is
2 into 2 into 1.
Sir, is it 4?
Okay. And then 1 duplex is?
1 is 1.
Okay. And without any carry, that's why your answer is final.
Okay.
Then Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
Ritvik ready.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. So the question is 66. So first 6 square is 36.
Okay.
And 66 square is like a 6. 2 into 6 into 6. So 2 into 36 is equals to 72. 72 we have to write. Yeah, sir. It is a carry, so we have to write like this. And 6 square is 36 again. Again, it is a carry out 3 6. Yes, sir. Next one is carry out, so we can write 4.
Okay.
And 13, the last number is 3, so we can write the 3.
Very good.
And 5 and 6. So the answer will be 4 3 5. That's
correct. Sudisha.
Yes, sir. Sir, 8 duplex is 64.
Okay.
Then 81 duplex is 16, sir.
Correct.
Then 1 duplex is 1, sir. So the answer is going to be 6,561.
561. Correct. Then
This
Jayit.
balancing is kind
Yes,
of
sir.
hard,
Sir, 9 nines are 81.
Okay.
Sir, 81. So 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 1 is 182.
8. Sorry.
Yes,
2
sir.
into 9 into 1.
Yes, sir.
2
180.
into 9 into 1 is how much?
Sir,
Here
18.
it is 18.
Yeah, simply 18, right? Why
Yes,
181? 1.
sir,
eight.
it's 18.
Hmm.
Sir, so it's
And 1 duplex is?
sir, 1 duplex is 1. So 2. Sorry,
1 only. 1 only. 1 square, right?
Sir, so it's 8. Sir,
2.
8 1.
Jayit. 8 to
Yes,
8 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Rohit.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, so 5. So we have to balance 5, 56 and 6, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
First
so
to
5
5 square
is
is
25.
25. Okay. Then
Sir, 56 square is equals to 5 6 are
56 square, not 56 square, 56 duplex.
Duplex.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
5
So,
6
so 5 6 are 30 into 2
30
that
double
is
is
to 60.
60. Because it is a double digit, right? 6 here, 0
So
here.
6 and 0, sir.
Okay,
So
then
then 6 duplex is 12. Sir, so
No.
we should write.
No, 6 duplex is how much? 6 square.
So sorry, sir. I was doing 6 into 2. Sir, 6 square
Is
36, sir.
3 here, 6
Send
here.
up 6. So we'll get the answer as
3, 1,
2003.
3.
Sir, 3136.
That's all. Okay, Srishti, fast.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Now duplex of 6 is 6 into 6 is 36.
Okay.
Then we have to do 2 into 6 into 3, which is equals to 36. 3 down, 6 up.
Again 36. Okay. Then 3 duplexes,
Yes, sir. 9.
9. Finally,
Sir, the answer is 3969.
correct. And then Mahavir.
Yes, sir. Sir, first it will be duplex of 7.
Hmm.
Sir, then for 7, 7, and after that again 7. Sir, 7 square is
How much?
7 square is 49.
Okay.
Sir, and
7
after
sevens,
7 multiplied by 7, it's 49.
double is
Double it will be 98.
very good. Okay. And then again
49.
49.
Sir, so the answer is sir 5929.
Correct. Very good. Ahana, proceed. Ahana Singh.
Okay. Yes, sir. So 6 duplicate is 36
No,
and
3 duplicate, right? Your number is 33.
oh, sorry, I did the wrong one.
Okay. 33. Tell 3 duplicate is
3 9.
9. Okay. Then 33
Then,
duplicate is
33
Duplicate,
duplicate.
sir.
Oh,
using
yeah,
duplex. We are
duplicate.
doing squares. Okay.
Sir, duplex or duplicate, sir?
Duplex. Okay. Duplicate, not duplicate. Duplex.
Sir, you're saying duplicate, sir.
Okay. Okay. 33 duplex is
33 duplex is 66.
no. 2 times of 3 into 3, not 33.
Oh, okay.
How much it is? 3 3s are
3 3s are 9.
9 2s are
18.
18 means 1 and 8.
8. And then again 3's duplex is 9.
So,
Finally?
which is 1086.
80?
89.
89. Yes, very good. So shall we do three-digit three-digit
Yes,
squares?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can give your names. B. Ritvik from there.
Sir, B. Ritvik, then G. Adat, sir.
Yeah, we will make it fast. In the next class, we'll start divisions. Okay.
Hey, what about
Okay,
me?
sir.
I also do put.
B. Ritvik, G. Adhar.
Sir, then,
How to do, sir?
then E. Ashwath.
Yeah. First, you can give your names. Then I will
Sir,
explain.
then
if you
E.
want.
Ashwath. E. Ashwath.
Ashwath.
Sir, then F. Aditi.
Okay.
So then Shiva Pranav D, sir.
A. Pranav. Okay.
So
Next.
that's it. So that's it. Sir, C. Sahasrita.
Smita.
Sir,
Only A
D.
is the final?
Sudisha.
Sir, A. Sudisha, sir,
Sir,
actually.
A. Sudisha.
Okay. Okay.
D. Sudisha, sir, is equal to A.
Sir, she kept it.
Well,
D Sudisha, sir, is equals to
Square the
A.
following grouping.
Okay. You don't need this because we will do it generally. Even you don't need this.
Sir, I need some time to calculate, sir.
You can take.
Sir, how,
Sir,
sir?
are you gonna explain, sir?
Okay, I will explain. Listen to me. I will take any number like. Tell me a three-digit number.
Sir,
Sir,
360.
109. Sir, 109.
2, 3, 4.
Sir, 109.
Sir, 2, 3, 4.
Sir,
3,
109.
4. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. See,
Sir,
it is also easy. See here, all of you. First duplex of 2, then
Sir, 4.
duplex of 23, then duplex of 234, then
Sir,
duplex
then
of
34.
34,
Sir, then
then
4.
duplex of 4.
Sir, it's like that IXXI that.
Yes. Nothing but this 234 is multiplied by again 234, right?
Yes, sir.
3-digit into 3-digit multiplication. First pair of figures,
Sir,
first
can
2
you
pairs,
tell-
all the 3 pairs. Yeah, EXI like.
Sir, can I tell after B and C is
Sir,
over?
can you tell duplex of 109?
Yeah, I will tell that also. Let us
Sir,
do this
how
first.
to
Let
find
us
a
complete.
duplex of one 3-digit number, sir?
You forgot already.
Yeah.
Okay, tell. What is the duplex of 2?
4.
Sir, 4.
4. Duplex of 23. 2 3s are 6. Double is
12.
12 means 1 here. 2. Duplex of 234 is 2 times of 2 into 4 and middle digit square.
Sir, it is 8.
8 double is 16 plus 9
16 plus 9.
is 25.
Sir,
Sir, for the 2-digit, what should we do?
2 digits simply double of product of the digits.
Okay, sir.
Don't forget, we already done many questions. Okay. Again, the 34 duplex is 3 4s are 12 double is 24.
12 double is 24. Yes, sir.
And the 4 duplex is 16. Simply.
16.
1 here, 6 here. So after balancing, your answer is 5 4 7 5 6. So can you do this square in conventional method in this last time?
Sir,
Within
long
this time?
process, but easy only, sir.
Yeah, this don't need to write this, yes or no?
Yes, sir. We don't.
You can do this mentally also.
Yes.
Just by writing these numbers like 4,
But we have to
then
visualize
12,
it,
then
sir.
25. Yeah, you have to use your brain somewhat much. Okay. Shall we do our questions or 109 is also required?
109. Sir, can
109 is required, compulsory. Okay.
Sir,
Let us
even 432 is required, sir. 432.
do.
Sir, every
109.
question is required.
Okay. See, Ritvik, duplex of 1. Is it required to write this?
No, sir.
Okay, let me write for this question only. From next question onwards, no need to write this. Then duplex of 10, then duplex of 109, then duplex of, okay, see here, Ritvik, we have to take 09, not only 9, okay? And then duplex of 9 then.
Sir, Ashwath wrote in the chat, sir, don't forget 432 is required, sir.
Okay. Then one duplex is 1 only. 10 duplex is how much?
So 10 duplex is 2, sir, 2 into 1, 10, 2 into
2 into 1 into 0 is 0. Okay.
Oh, sir.
And then 109 duplex is 2 times of 1 into 9, that is 18. And middle digit square, we can ignore.
0.
Okay, sir.
Overall, it is 18.
Yes.
And then 09 duplex is
Sir, what if this is a sir?
Sir,
What
zero.
if there is
Zero, sir.
one more?
Sir,
What
zero.
if 1 minute?
Okay.
So what if there is one more number instead of 0? How do we do that?
Ayya.
where? That is discussed
Sir,
already in the
sir,
above
zero,
question.
if it is other number, will we be adding?
Suisha, 234 is there only.
You
Other
can
question.
compare these two. Okay. Sudisha, above question and below question, you can compare.
Okay.
Then duplex of 9 is how much?
Sir, 0.
9. 0 is
Sir,
written already. 9 duplex is
81.
Sir, 81.
81 means 8 here, 1 here. After balancing, your answer is 11881. Okay. And Ritvik, doing this question instead of doing in this way, it is better to do this question in this way. 109. So for this number, what is the base?
Sir, 100.
100 is the base. How much is extra?
Sir, 9.
Add that 9. It will be 118.
Sir,
After that,
118.
we need to reserve 2 positions, and those 2
Yes,
positions
sir.
should be filled by 9 square 81.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, it is better.
Sir, that's base number, right, sir?
Yeah,
Sir,
using base model, this is the squaring technique.
Or you can say 1 month.
Sir, so we can do any of that, sir, now? Or we have to do the other one?
If it is nearby base, it is better. I am just telling it is better. Okay.
You can say
Sir,
1
so if the question is nearby base, then we can use this tactic, sir, base number tactic.
Yeah, you can use the base model, or you can do this also. I'm telling compared to this, that is easy. Base model is easy. Why special
This is
methods are
somewhat,
found out? Why special methods are there?
sir,
Yes or no? Compared to general method, special methods will take less time. That's why.
sir, I did not understand. Can you explain it again?
So
This
then
one-
always we'll use special method only, right, sir?
If that case applies, then we can apply a special method. Otherwise, we
Sir,
can
I'm
do
not
general.
understanding. This is
Okay.
1 0.
Which one? What happened suddenly?
Sir,
Sir, actually our class has started. So,
sir, you're in mute,
sir,
sir.
we will explain our question and we'll leave.
Sir, you're in mute, sir.
Sir, you're on mute.
Sir, mute your end.
Okay. No
Yeah.
need to explain also. We will do it in the next class. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice
Sir,
day.
bye, sir, Matt.
Sir, bye, sir. Have a nice
Bye. Bye.